Welcome back. Today we do the ultimate throwdown. It is between Coca Cola and Dr. Pepper. Stay tuned to find out which one wins. Here's where we are from the last cook. We're going to add more charcoal, light it up, and put more wood on top. Just a small little bit of embers going. We don't want to get too hot too quickly. We are just about there with the barbecue, so while we're waiting for that to come up, go ahead and apply the rub. I did not use any binder today on the rub, and we're just going pretty light, even though it doesn't look like it, with this. We're using the Gospel all-purpose rub today, so we're spreading that Gospel all over the ribs. This is more about the taste of the barbecue sauce that we make after this than the rub itself. Just a few minutes later, these ribs are looking beautiful. I say they're ready to go on. Got a little bit of smoke right now. Probably too much when you normally want to put ribs on, but I'm going to say it's good. This one closest to us now is the bigger rib. I'm going to put that closer. That's the other one, a little farther away. We're a little tight on space on this, but as long as we keep it damper down, no flare-ups, we'll be just fine. Say we're ready for business. This is what 90 minutes looks like right here. I am liking what I'm seeing. Charcoal is, I'd say, just about a quarter gone. I'm doing good there. Beautiful. 1 hour later, we're about 3 hours in right now. These ribs are looking great. Ready to get the sauce on. All right, here we go. These are looking so good. And you can tell I put 2 layers of tinfoil down before putting the meat side down, bone side up. These ribs, they kind of curl up like this. So if they go down, you could puncture the tinfoil in the cook and you lose all of the liquid that we're going to put in now. Here we go. Coca Cola, classic. Good. 12 ounces there, so 1 can. Get this into a boat shape so it's not gonna spill out. That's a lot of liquid. Put this off to the side. Dr. Pepper right there. Coke right there. I'm going to try to kind of pen really quick. Hate to get these things mixed up. And do a C. And a little DP on that one. Let's do a CC for Coca Cola. Alright, get these back outside on the barbecue. Pull this back just a little bit and add a little bit more charcoal in there so we don't die out too. There we go. I'm cooking again. I'm gonna do a little check. Let's see how we're looking. Ooh, a lot of liquid in there. Let's see if this works. So you got the pullback, meat falling off. That's a good sign. Maybe half hour. 10 hour max, and we'll be done. We're gonna pull these off and take them inside. All right, boys and girls.
That looks good.
That smells really good.
Which is which?
I'm glad you asked that.
We just have to taste them.
So this is the. Oops. Okay, I forgot a knife. Right back. This is the Coke. It was actually the bigger rib, so we're gonna do that. And this is Dr. Pepper. Okay. So if you're looking at, well, make sure they can see it. How are they gonna know? You can see
You
Dr.
just
Pepper.
moved it back here.
Oh no, I was trying to show the label. So at first glance, the Dr. Pepper rib looks like there's more pullback. However, I don't think that's from the rib. I think that's sink. I don't think that's from the actual pop or cola or soda or Coke, Dr. Pepper. I think that is just from the ribs themselves. Yeah.
Yeah.
Go for it.
Trying to cut it along.
Yeah. See, they if you're not paying attention, the bones angle this way, so you cut it this way, right? So you cut on the bone, kind of go like that.
I know. No.
We have the ribs. I think we're trying the Dr. Pepper first, I think.
Yeah.
Okay, here we go.
The bone feels hot.
Because it was hot. It was in a hot barbecue.
Ribs.
Oh yeah. Beignet.
He's trying to get this in the camera.
Oh, he's trying to get some ribs.
Cute, Becky.
Yeah, it's pretty cute. Oof. All right, and then so that's Dr. Pepper. Here are the Coke. We want to do a long conversation about what do we call it? Do we call it pop? Do we call it Coke? Do we call it soda?
Depends what
Soda
region
pop.
you're in.
That's true.
What country?
Mm-hmm.
It's steaming now.
Yeah.
It just fell off.
So if I had to choose, I do have a winner. But again, I don't know if that's from because of the rib is better, just a better rib, or did the actual Coke or Dr. Pepper influence that flavor at all? Want some? Hopefully Mom doesn't watch this. What do you think? So I will say, I was going to make a sauce with each of the Coke or Dr. Pepper. I didn't do that because one, I actually didn't have the ingredients at home to make the sauce. But besides the point, I didn't want a different sauce to be influencing the flavor. I wanted the Coke or Dr. Pepper to influence the flavor. You know how they say Coke can dissolve teeth overnight or something like that? I'm not sure if I believe that. However, I wanted to give it a test, just Dr. Pepper or just Coke. With everything's being equal, no other ingredients added to change my opinion. What do you think?
I got it mixed up.
Yep.
I think this one maybe.
Do you know what?
Whatever that one is.
Do you know? Was this your first bite or second bite?
I just had this one.
I mean,
I took multiple.
Oh, we'll have to go back in the video and do some investigative analysis to figure out which one was which. Or you just try more ribs.
Oh.
So, what do you think, though?
It's good.
It was good?
They did taste different, a little different.
Mm-hmm. We cooked these with applewood, plum charcoal on the SNS grill. Really happy with how that thing turned out. I was going for about 220, 250 for the whole cook. It was on for about 6 hours, and that thing went. No fixing was needed to adjust the temperature. Barely a couple times, but it cooked really, really nicely. I'm really happy with how it turned out. I was a little worried with the ribs being too close to the fire. However, it was not an issue at all. It was pleasantly surprised. What do you think?
Exciting word to bite.
So in terms of flavor, personally, I like the Coke ribs better. Again, a lot of different things can be equal here, and this is all just my opinion. I think the Coke tastes a little bit more tender. And these were actually bigger ribs too, so that's saying something. And a little bit more sugar, sweetness also, but not overpowering sweetness.
I think this is the Dr. Pepper.
And is that what you like better?
I said this one. Actually, that one's good.
I'm trying a little more Dr. Pepper. See how it goes. Yeah. Don't get me wrong. I said in the beginning, see who the winner is, but I think in the end we are both the winners here. I'm not sure about these guys, but I think us two were the winners, yeah?
I like both of them.
I like both of them, yeah. Again, this was a fun idea. I'm not sure if it played out in reality, but I'm happy with how this turned out. Not much else to say for this video. We are, as always, happy you guys came in to watch. Please comment, like, and subscribe. And as always, everybody, thanks so much for watching. And
keep barbecuing, America.
Yeah, exactly. Cheers. Cheers.
Try not drinking.
Okay.
What if neither one wins?
Well, it's what our opinion.
What if I have, say, like the Dr. Pepper and you say the Coke?
Well, then it's a tie.
Mm.
Well, like a football game, it's like, well, who's going to win? Well, it could end in a tie. There's a possibility.